Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the Rolyan Graded Pinch Exerciser, a versatile finger and hand exercise device designed to aid recovery from injuries and surgery. This innovative tool is perfect for conditioning and strengthening your grip, featuring a set of 5 pinch clips, each offering 6 pounds of resistance, making it ideal for advanced rehabilitation. The exerciser is cleverly designed with thumb and finger divots, allowing for a customizable workout that requires 9 pounds of force for a single finger and 6 pounds for 2 fingers. What sets this product apart are the magnets on the back, which let you conveniently attach the pinchers to metal surfaces, ensuring they're always within reach. Additionally, the wells in the teeth of the pinchers can hold marbles or beads up to 1.25 inches, adding an extra layer of functionality to your exercise routine. Whether you're recovering from an injury or simply looking to enhance your grip strength, the Rolyan Graded Pinch Exerciser offers a simple yet effective solution. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.